Hi, my name is Ian McHale, and I am your principal engineer. Welcome to InfiNET Industries. Today, we are going to look at CUDA, a programming language for GPUs or graphics processing units. But we also are going to look at wave computation. And we will show you and your organization today how you can integrate CUDA and wave computation to get the most out of your hardware and software stack. So let's go ahead and look at InfiNET. And let's select our CUDAWave microservice. Our CUDAWave microservice has a menu with a number of options. Each one of these options demonstrates a unique way that you can make the most out of CUDA and wave computation for your individual organization. Let's get started. With our first option, we use CUDA to create a hash for encryption. With waves, we take the same hash and we apply transformations, such as reducing duplicity, increasing variability, and increasing compression. Now let's look at our second option, featuring quantum mechanical simulation. Here we are doing the same thing with CUDA, applying CUDA for optimization. We have a series of numbers that are inputs. We use our wave computation to transform that data along with CUDA into whatever form that we like. Here, for demonstrative purposes, we have transformed it into a series of contiguous zeros. Now let's look at wave-based data compression further. Here, the inputs are higher numbers, taking up more memory and computation. However, when we transform the data, it turns into something that is very lightweight and streamlined. Let's see how we can use CUDA and wave computation to apply similar optimizations to images. Here you can see that the image input data involves much higher numbers. However, when we apply wave computation and we transform that data, you can see that it is similarly streamlined and lightweight. We've talked about CUDA, but what does CUDA look like? What makes CUDA special? Here you can see our CUDA kernel code. And CUDA is a variation of the C programming language. There's a few differences, such as this global variable here, as well as these threading, blocking, and dimensional variables here. Otherwise, much of the CUDA language looks very much like the standard C programming language. Hopefully, we were able to get you started, and this gives you an idea about different ways that you may be able to integrate CUDA and wave computation into your organization's hardware and software stack today. Thank you for joining us, and enjoy the rest of your day.